StealthFlow, manufacturing products that divert rainwater while blending in with the landscape. Introducing the original patent-pending StealthFlow low-profile downspout extension. If you are tired of raking and replacing mulch or other landscape covering after a heavy rainfall, then you need StealthFlow. It blends into the landscape and diverts water away from your foundation. It features a flexible connector that rotates to fit A or B style downspouts. The removable insert allows for easy installation to all standard downspouts, including round downspouts. Optionally, the connector can be attached to the downspout using a self-tapping screw. The system simply snaps together. It can easily be cut with a knife. Yet, the patent-pending design is strong enough to withstand the weight of this SUV. Independent ASTM tests rated the low-profile component at over 27 pounds per square inch. Remove the package and installation instructions with a pair of scissors. Expand the flexible connector. For this installation, we remove the 2x3 insert. Snap the components together. Attach the StealthFlow to the downspout and point in the direction you want the rainwater to flow, making sure that it is sloping away from the foundation. In this installation, the extension runs all the way to the grass. Simply measure the distance of the addition and cut the 28-inch extension, sold separately, to the desired length. When cutting, place the knife in a valley of the corrugation to help guide a clean, straight cut. Snap the extension to the end of the StealthFlow and cover with mulch or other landscape material. Since no digging is required, the possibility of damaging shrubbery roots, electrical lines, landscape lighting, and irrigation lines is eliminated. Install a StealthFlow to every downspout on your home. This installation took less than 2 minutes. Reduce your landscape maintenance while improving your home's curb appeal. Visit www.invisiflow.com to see other drainage products. The Flex Grate is designed to filter leaves and debris out of the downspout before the rainwater enters the landscape drainage system. The StealthSpout low-profile drain emitter makes landscape drainage systems nearly invisible. This product is great for wall and curb installations. The downspout connector with flexible bellows makes installation and repairs quick and easy. It also helps prevent pipe separation. The flexible connector is perfect for repairs. It expands to 19 inches and bends up to 180 degrees. To see Invisiflow's full product line, visit www.invisiflow.com.